Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 top rated ski resorts in Colorado. Number 5, Beaver Creek Resort. Owned by Vail Resorts, Beaver Creek Resort lies just a short distance down the highway from Vail. This resort is known for its high level of customer service, groomed runs, and friendly atmosphere. Each afternoon at 3 p.m. the smell of fresh baked treats wafts through the air as chocolate chip cookies, served by staff in chef's hats, are handed out to skiers coming off the hill and anyone who happens to be lingering around the base. Escalators take guests up several flights of stairs from the town right to the chairlift, and attendants are always around to help tired and struggling skiers carry their skis down the escalators and to the bus stop at the end of the day. The town sidewalks are heated, so there is never a buildup of ice. Number 4, Aspen Snowmass. Aspen Snowmass is actually a combination of 4 ski areas around the town of Aspen and Snowmass Village. The 4 hills together, which consist of Snowmass, Aspen Mountain, Aspen Highlands, and Buttermilk, cover a massive amount of terrain, rivaling Vail in sheer size. Number 3, Breckenridge Ski Resort. Breckenridge is the complete package, from groomed runs through the trees to extraordinary high alpine bowls that you can access with a lift. And with even a minimal amount of hiking off the Imperial Chairlift, you can access some outstanding terrain. The bowls at the top of the peaks are exposed and can be intimidating as you look at the mountain from a distance, but they offer unparalleled skiing opportunities for advanced skiers. This is the place to come for anyone looking to push their skill level beyond intermediate. But there is plenty of terrain for everyone, with green, blue, and black runs lower down on the mountain, moguls here and there, and beginner-friendly areas. This hill is fairly easy to navigate, largely due to the fact that it is spread out along the front side of a series of peaks. Number 2, Telluride Ski Resort. In a remote setting in the San Juan Mountains, Telluride is one of the most scenic ski towns in the United States. Add to that a top-end ski resort with incredible terrain, consistently good snowfall amounts, and it's no wonder Telluride has become such a popular resort destination. Number 1, Vail Mountain Resort. Vail is known for being one of the largest resorts in the world and home to some of the best terrain in Colorado. The 7 back bowls are enough to make you change the rest of your ski plans for the whole season because you could certainly spend an endless amount of time right here. This is if you manage to drag yourself off the long groomed runs on the front side, stretching along the hillside overlooking the town of Vail. And certainly there are people who never do venture into the back bowls. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.